Today at CJ Off-Road, I'm here with Waylon from TMI, and we're going to add some exterior upgrades to our Jeep that I've never thought of. Now Waylon, you brought us the seat upholstery, the roll bar covers. Is there anything else we can add onto our Jeep to make it a little bit better?
Yeah, there's one more thing that I think most people don't think about, and that's this bed rail trim back here. It's kind of unsightly. There's a lot of unfinished edges back here. If you use your Jeep a lot, hardtop on and off, it's gonna get scratched up, it's gonna get dinged, you're gonna have paint chip missing. So we designed, it's essentially just a bed rail cover. With the bed rail covers, we're tying in the vinyl that matches both the upholstery here, as well as the roll bar cover here. And again, you see the contrast stitch right here throughout, matches the seat upholstery here. And it's really gonna help finish off this unfinished edge you have here on the Jeep.
So Waylon, can you tell me how this installs?
It's simple enough. There's a plastic trim right here on the back that's gonna go up underneath the trim piece here on the Jeep. So you're gonna slide this slider up underneath. And then these are simply J-hooks like what we used on the upholstery. These go around and clip in to the back of the Jeep. You're gonna wanna work your way around the back and take those J-clips and just clip them up underneath the body moldings like so. And you're in good shape.
We just finished up the TMI bed rail covers. They were super simple install and they're more aesthetically pleasing than what was under there. Match our seats really well, and I think they're a really great feature for our Jeep.
That was actually the point, was just to clean up this edge. Like I said, when your hardtop sits on there, it scratches it up. You've got all the bolt holes here that are really kind of unsightly. This just kind of gives everything a finished edge and makes it match throughout.
Exactly, yeah, and you can find these bed rail covers as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.